Today I'm making my super quick and easy one-pot chicken pasta. This is one-pan cooking at its best. Everything gets added in step by step and you end up with a delicious cheesy pasta dish with loads of extra veggies that the kids will love. And it's ready in 30 minutes. We start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over a medium to high heat. Then we're going to add a diced white onion into the pan and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion begins to soften. Once those onions have softened, we're going to add in the chicken. I've got 2 chicken breasts here that I've chopped into bite-sized pieces. We'll add them to the pan. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper and then cook the chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's just sealed. Now we add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of tomato puree and a red pepper that we've chopped into chunks. Give it all a stir. Now add in 300 grams or 3½ cups of dried spiralli pasta. Then 2 400 gram or 14 ounce tins of chopped tomatoes. Next in goes ½ teaspoon of oregano and ½ tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then we add in 300 ml or 1¼ cups of chicken stock, then 120 ml or ½ cup of full fat milk. Give everything a stir and bring it to the boil. Then turn it down to a gentle simmer. Cover with a lid or some foil and simmer for 12 to 15 minutes, checking it occasionally until the pasta's cooked through. Now we're going to add in some sugar snap peas. I've got 20 here that I've chopped in half and I'm going to add to the pan. It's nice to add them right at the end so they're hot through but they still retain the crunch. Give it a stir, then top with 100 grams or a packed cup of grated mature cheddar cheese. That goes under the grill for a couple of minutes until the cheese is melted and lovely and golden. Sprinkle with some chopped parsley and you're ready to serve. That's my one-pot chicken pasta, ready in 30 minutes or less. Perfect for a busy weeknight meal. I hope you enjoy it. I know my family will. See you next time.